In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to navigate larger sites in the Irrigation Checkups app. And so if you are working a checkup on usually a commercial property that has uh, more than one backflow and more than one controller, there is a specific way that uh, the app renders the information on the checkup page. And so in this example, we have a soccer association, so some soccer fields. And if I scroll down in the checkup to the backflow section, you see that there are two backflows listed here. Now, properties can have as many backflows as there are. There's no limit in the app. So if you had more than four, only four will show at a time, you would use these little tab pagination buttons to select the group of four. And then once you have the four showing, you can click in them and it'll get highlighted. Now, you don't need to do that to add repairs. So let's say this backflow number 2, we need to add some repairs. So we can click on that, and let's just say the handles are broken. We just leave a note that they're rusted out. We already have the labor on there, so let's just add this really quickly to the checkup. And so you can see that because we added the repair of number 2, that automatically got highlighted when we came back to the main checkup page, and now we see that backflow repair under it. If we click into the number 1, you see that disappears. And so this is just a way to save kind of screen real estate when you have larger properties. And the same is true for controllers. And you'll see here in purple we have kind of a guide here that you first need to select a group. So here in this site example, we actually have more than 4. So if I use this pagination button 5 through 8, I actually see controller number 5. You can always click all and it'll show all 5 there. Again, if you have lots of controllers, there's sites being used with the app that have 20 plus controllers, and so that can get a little unwieldy when you have all that information displayed on one page, especially when you're in the field with maybe not the greatest internet connection. But this for the controllers works the same. So let's click controller number 1. Maybe we'll paginate so it's just the 4 showing. So controller 1, after highlighting, just clicking anywhere in it, and once it's highlighted in blue, we now see the program section, the zone description section, and then any repairs that have been made for that. And that also controls the quote line items. And so, if we click over to controller number 2, get a different set of programs, zone descriptions, and then this zone has no repairs. And so just remember, if you don't see the information you are looking for, just make sure you click and highlight the backflow and controller that you're interested in viewing the information for. And then if your business does use the quote line items, there is a checkbox at the bottom of the checkup page to show all, and so you can see everything irregardless of what's selected at the top. You can see all the quote items. And so just a nice way to limit the amount of information on the page that hopefully allows the page to load quicker for you on these larger properties that you're working these checkups on.